Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you're well and hope you're having a great day. Well, I am certainly having a great day because I made these homemade colourful buns. Not only that they look amazing, they absolutely taste super delicious, and I need you to try this because it's great for Eid, it's great for dolkis, mendi, you name it. Inshallah you're going to love it. So let's get straight onto it. So in a glass add 1 cup of warm water, and I use measuring cup guys. Then add 1.5 teaspoon of dried active yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give that a mix and leave it aside for 15 minutes. Then in a bowl add 2 cups of plain flour. Now add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give the ingredients a good mix, and then you're going to make a well in the middle. Now add your yeast mixture that we left aside for a little while, and it should look like this, and then just put that in the middle. And then we're going to add 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of oil, any oil. I've used olive oil here. Now give that all a good mix. Now I am adding 1/4 cup of warm milk, and again give that a good mix. You can use your hands here and just knead really well. Now if it looks like this and you feel like you need a bit more liquid in there, just add a bit of milk as you go until you have this type of texture. Now the dough will seem sticky, and this is exactly what you want. You want a sticky dough. Okay, so like I say, the dough is going to seem really sticky, but when you knead it, the stickiness will go. So it'll take roughly 5 minutes. Keep kneading, and this dough is now ready. Okay, so now I'm going to weigh this because I am going to divide it by 5, and because I'm making 5 buns. So the weighing of this was 453 grams, and I'm making about 90 to 91 grams roughly each ball. So just weigh all the balls like so, and then once it's all done, then we will show you the next stage. Okie dokie, so this is the really fun part, but please guys, don't make the mistake that I did. Please use some gloves or something. Don't do what I did basically. It was a mess everywhere. Anyway, so I have used the green colouring here. You can use any colour that you have. I just literally had 3-4 colours at home, and this is what I had to do. So yeah, just put the colour in the middle like so, and we're just going to knead it as, I don't know if you guys have made Play-Doh, but it's similar like that. Just kind of knead until all the colour has blended well in the dough like so. So the yellow's done, and the next I did blue because that's all I had. This went a bit messy, but hey ho, it's all good. And the next one, oh goodness, was my nightmare. Literally my nightmare of using red colouring. Why would I even do that? But anyhow, so yeah, the next one I just didn't know because I only had 4 colours, so I just tried to do anything, but overall it still ended up being green. But hey, give me some credit for trying, I guess. But yeah, that's all done. Alhamdulillah, thank goodness. And these are all the colours I did. I'm just going to leave these aside until they double in size. So next we're making something that will hold the buns in shape whilst they're baking. So I'm using this biscuit cutter size, and now using foil, just wrap it like so, and then just the edges so that it's more neater. Now using the biscuit cutter, we're going to check the size that we need for the foil and just cut off anything that we don't need. And next we're using some glue just to stick the edges so it stays in its shape. Okay, so now we need some baking paper to put inside the foil. So for that we need to just add a bit of oil so that it sticks to the foil, and just wrap this like so it's inside the foil securely. So now in the tray we're going to add baking paper and then the foil shapers that we just made. And oh wow, these are definitely doubled in size, so they're definitely ready. We're going to now just gently get these out and make like a circular shape and just add them into the foil like so. And we're going to do that for all of them. So now we're just going to brush some water on top. And then we're going to be adding some sesame seeds, so the water will just help it stick on there. Okay, so now we're going to leave it to rest for about 30 to 45 minutes and then inshallah it'll be ready to bake. So now it's ready to bake and we're going to cook this on 150 Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. And you can check this by putting the toothpick in like you do for cake, just to make sure it's fully cooked, and I already did that. So alhamdulillah, these are fully baked and they are looking amazing. Wouldn't you agree? Like, they are looking super good. And the best thing is that this is exactly the color that I was wanting, because it just represents, you know, happiness, and especially for weddings, dolkis, mendi, even like your kiddies' birthday parties, the theme that you're going to do, you know, having buns like this, it just kind of makes that table look extra special. So I just feel like inshallah this is going to be a really good way to hopefully keep our kiddies happy and to keep our occasion extra special. So yeah, now before cutting guys, make sure it's fully cooled down. So I'm just showing you this, that is fully cooled down, and the fact that it's fully cooked as well, and it's looking super good. Okay, so this was literally on iftari time and I was just super rushing. My husband at the background giving me the eyes. Anyway, this kebab recipe guys is in the description below, so if you want the recipe for that, do look down there. And I'm just kind of adding the relevant ingredients that you would add in your burger, just adding that on top, and then now adding this toothpick. Again, you can buy this from my Amazon shop, the link is in the description below. Making the next one, so I've got tomato ketchup, lettuce, kebab, sauce, tomato and cucumber, some onion and the cheese, and a bit of sauce again on top, and there we go. Super duper amazing iftari that we had today, and these colourful buns just topped it off and made everything look super perfect for us. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe. Do also share with your family and friends. Do let me know if you're going to make this and when would you make this. Do comment below please, and inshallah I will see you very soon. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.